How to install Low-E Housewrap, an insulated ICC-approved standalone house wrap. ESP Low-E Housewrap is installed over exterior wall sheathing prior to or after the installation of windows or doors. If windows and doors have been installed, the Low-E Housewrap must be trimmed as close to the windows and door openings as possible and sealed with Low-E seam tape. Low-E Housewrap rolls should be placed approximately 6 inches from the start of a corner and fastened to the sheathing with corrosion-resistant nails having minimum 1-inch diameter plastic heads or corrosion-resistant staples having minimum 1-inch crowns. Fasteners must be placed a maximum of 16 inches on center both vertically and horizontally. Low-E Housewrap must be installed with the foil facing out, visible to the exterior. There are 2.5-inch foil flanges for horizontal seams on one end of each roll of Low-E Housewrap. Upper courses are to overlap lower courses in a shingle-like manner. For vertical seams, butt foam edges of 2 rolls and tape the seam. All vertical and horizontal flange seams should be taped with Low-E seam tape. Any areas of Low-E Housewrap that have been slightly damaged or compromised during installation can also be patched with Low-E seam tape. Please refer to window and door manufacturer suggested installation tips for installing Low-E Housewrap over framed openings. When Low-E Housewrap is used over foam sheathing, it must be attached with roofing nails or approved fasteners whose length exceeds the foam thickness by a minimum of 1/2 inch.